Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a little quick review for you guys on the Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio. Yes, they released a whole bunch of these little compacts. They have 3 different shades in them, and well, this is the one I picked. The one I picked is called On Location, and I picked this one simply because it has this gorgeous blue shade in it that I just can't wait to use. It looks very exotic, so I instantly, when I saw it, I was like, I'm getting that one. The other tones were kind of natural and beige and browns and stuff. They were pretty too, but those are colors that I already wear on a daily basis, so I figured let me do something else, something different for you guys, and this is it. So if you want to see what I think of these little compacts, stick around. Check it out. So you are ready for the review. I'm ready for the review. Let's see what we got. So the Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio in the shades, this one's called On Location, and it comes in a little box like this, and it goes for about $22, which is very, very, you know, affordable considering most of the big palettes and stuff. They're almost like 50 bucks. So this is a good deal. Oh, it's awfully cute. See, it looks like a camera lens. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll try to remove the glare. But it looks like a camera lens, which is really kind of clever. I really like that. Anyway, the shades in here. This is the shade Pool Boy. The golden shade is Gold Sunnies, and then the blue shade is All the Teals. So I'm really excited to start using them. It's really cool that they give a little instruction, you know, manual on the back if you're not, you know, used to wearing eyeshadow. So it's ideal for beginners too. Affordable and instructions. So far, so good. So anyways, let's start applying it, because that's the most important thing. The price and instructions, that's all good and all, but if you apply it and you don't like it, that is a whole different problem. Okay guys, so I already did most of my makeup. I did not do my eyes, obviously, because I'm gonna do that with you guys. First, I'm gonna start by applying some concealer on my eyelids. Now you can use primer for this too. I'm using concealer just because it's quick, and I'm just using my fingers just to like apply it. Okay, I am going to start with the shade Pool Boy. That's this one, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid, all the way up to the brows. And I do the same on this side here. Actually, we're gonna go in with the brown, with the gold first. So this one, the gold shade, and we are going to apply that. Let's see. All over the lid. Oh my God, I love this shade. This is gorgeous. If you're just during daytime and you just want to do something quick, keep it light and stuff, you can just wear this gold shade on its own because it's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, yes. There. And I'm really sloppy when it comes to eyeshadow. I just like to wing it and just see what I end up with. So there. Now we are going in with the blue color. All the Teals. It's gorgeous. Stand out-ish. And the more you blend better. Oops, we got some fallout. Fallout, people. Okay, so it's still kind of messy. I haven't cleaned it up yet, but this is it so far. It's gorgeous. Gosh, wow. The blue shade does have some fallout, but I'm not going to worry about it because it's so gorgeous. Next, I am going to apply that blue shade underneath my eyes, where my waterline is, just the outside, like here. Pool boy. I think it was pool boy. We're just gonna put a little of that white color right there. In the inner corner. Now you want to make sure to clean it up. So you're just gonna pull a line like that. You can use concealer or makeup cleanser. And then you can either use your fingers or a brush. That was like a little straight line. There, I kind of finished the eyeliner, and I don't want to forget, you're going to take that same shade Pool Boy, and you're going to apply it right underneath your eyebrows. You're going to apply that shade all underneath the brow, because you want it all to blend and come together. So I'm going to apply, well, falsies. So first I'm going to curl my lashes. And I'm going to apply a coat of my Big T's Buxom mascara. You can use any mascara. I just had this handy. Plus I like this mascara. But I'm using the Ardell Studio Effect lashes, the wispies. So there, guys, I applied the lashes, the eyeliner, everything's all set and ready. And the only thing that's left is the lips. So I'm gonna just go with this NYX Lingerie Professional Makeup in Cabaret Show. And there you have my island girl look. Ah. Ooh. So let's go back and let me tell you my final review on this Smashbox Photo Edit eyeshadow trio. There you have it. These are my results. I really have to say I was highly surprised. I give this compact a good 8 out of 10 simply because the colors are gorgeous. 8 out of 10 only because I got a little fallout of the blue shade underneath my eyes. It could have been because I was packing it on too heavy, but you know, I would rate it an 8 out of 10. It's a good quality. I love that they have the little instructions on the back for beginners. And it's just really user friendly, and it looks cute too, so that's important. So definitely for the $22 you get your money's worth. If you can't make up your mind in the store and you're looking for something to put on your eye, something easy and quick, this could be it. I mean, you can even use the gold shade on its own, and it is just so gorgeous. And oh, for the record, I am not getting paid for this video. This is just my public service to you guys. It's because I love makeup, and I hope you guys like this review. So leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel, because if you haven't, then you're really missing out. And I'm not just saying that. You really should check out some more videos and see what I'm all about. Go to my blog, bffwithkimberlycanes.com. There's all kinds of cool stuff going on there. Check me out on Instagram, and I'll see you guys soon.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.